An introduction to trig graphs. You need to be aware of the shape and basic features of the sine and cosine graphs. You can try the following on your calculator. The sine of 0 is 0. The sine of 90 degrees is 1. The sine of 180 degrees is 0. The sine of 270 degrees is minus 1, and the sine of 360 degrees is 0. You can try more values, but the curve is shaped like this. So this is the curve, y equals sine x. Notice how the highest the curve goes is 1, so 1 is the maximum value of the sine function. The lowest the curve goes is minus 1. Now let's look at the cosine graph. The cosine of 0 is 1. The cosine of 90 degrees is 0. The cosine of 180 degrees is minus 1. The cosine of 270 degrees is 0, and the cosine of 360 degrees is 1. The curve looks like this. If we look at the two graphs together, so here's the sine and here's the cosine, the two curves are the same shape. If we pulled the sine graph 90 degrees to the left, we would have the cosine graph. Therefore, using a transformation, the sine of x plus 90 degrees is equal to cos x.